When your UniFi Dream Router shows no internet connectivity, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We'll walk through 5 critical diagnostic steps that resolve most connectivity issues. Step 1. Check all physical connections. The WAN cable connecting your Dream Router to your ISP modem is the most critical link. A loose or damaged cable causes 40% of no internet issues. Examine the LED status indicators on both your Dream Router and ISP modem. The WAN port LED should show solid connectivity. If blinking or off, this indicates a physical layer problem requiring cable replacement or port inspection. Step 2. Power cycle your equipment in the correct sequence. This resolves temporary connectivity glitches in 60% of cases. Always power off the ISP modem first, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart it. After the modem fully initializes, which takes 5 to 10 minutes, power on your Dream Router. This sequence ensures proper IP address assignment and prevents configuration conflicts between devices. Step 3. Verify your WAN configuration in the UniFi Network application. Navigate to Settings, then Internet to access your connection settings. Most cable and fiber connections use DHCP, while DSL typically requires PPPoE authentication. Common WAN types include DHCP for automatic IP assignment, static IP for fixed addresses, and PPPoE for DSL connections requiring username and password authentication. Verify your settings match your ISP's requirements exactly. Step 4. Confirm your Dream Router receives a valid public IP address from your ISP. In the network application, check the WAN status for IP assignment. Missing or invalid addresses indicate WAN configuration problems or ISP connectivity issues. Private IP addresses like 192.168 or API addresses starting with 169.254 indicate the router is not receiving proper internet connectivity from your ISP. Contact your provider if these appear consistently. Step 5. Test your DNS settings. DNS resolution failures prevent internet access even with valid IP addresses. Configure reliable public DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1 for optimal performance. In the network application, navigate to Settings, Networks, and configure DNS servers. Clear the DNS cache and verify forwarding settings. Test connectivity by pinging external addresses to confirm resolution is working properly. These 5 diagnostic steps resolve approximately 90% of UniFi Dream Router internet connectivity issues. If problems persist after completing all steps, advanced troubleshooting may be required, including firmware updates or ISP-specific configuration changes. When basic troubleshooting fails to restore internet connectivity, advanced diagnostic steps become necessary. The first area to examine is your VLAN configuration, which can often interfere with basic network connectivity. VLANs, or virtual local area networks, segment your network into isolated groups. While useful for security and organization, misconfigured VLANs can prevent devices from accessing the internet gateway. To troubleshoot VLAN issues, temporarily disable all VLAN configurations and test connectivity with a flat network structure. This isolates whether VLANs are causing the connectivity problem. Next, examine your firewall rules and IPv6 configuration, as these advanced settings can also block internet access, even when basic connectivity appears functional. Firewall rules provide network security, but can inadvertently block legitimate internet traffic. Similarly, IPv6 configuration issues are becoming increasingly common as internet service providers transition to dual-stack networks. IPv6 dual-stack configurations require both your UniFi Dream Router and internet service provider to support IPv6 properly. Mismatched configurations can cause intermittent connectivity issues. Warning: always document your current firewall and IPv6 settings before making changes. This allows you to restore working configurations if modifications cause additional problems. If configuration changes don't resolve the issue, firmware updates or factory reset procedures may be necessary. These represent more intensive troubleshooting approaches. Firmware updates address known connectivity bugs and improve overall performance. However, they should be performed carefully with proper backup procedures to prevent configuration loss. Factory reset should be considered only as a last resort when all other troubleshooting methods have failed. This procedure erases all custom configurations and returns the device to default settings. Prevention is always better than reactive troubleshooting. Implementing proactive monitoring and maintenance procedures can prevent most connectivity issues before they impact users. Proactive network monitoring provides early warning of connectivity issues and enables rapid response before complete service interruption occurs. Implement automated backup systems to preserve network configurations. Weekly backups ensure you can quickly restore working settings if problems occur during updates or configuration changes. For business-critical deployments, maintain direct relationships with your internet service provider's technical support team. Document all ISP-specific configuration requirements to enable rapid troubleshooting when issues arise.